Akwaaba uba tru afina uba twe yenya hu mesua nwuma Akwaaba na ya che Clinton ne George Bush ne Queen Elizabeth ne Prince one mo enkanfo. You know the things you people should be angry over, not Akwaaba uba twe senya kanfo ne ye nipa ye ni ding enkaibo from eje nkanfo asase yamfa ye na ye nsi foma enkaibo hini enkobisi na hini ewo nkan ho woni nam kan ho se wo ye king eye den ye wo king takite ne sa wa another king ewo asase ba akoso. How is that possible? There were a lot of things ewo se nkanfo mo force mu energy than Akwaaba uba tru. Instead of you to fight over slogans, fight over unity.
So between Akwaaba, Obake, and Wezo, Kasano, then I'll say a official language, Yenyusu, Enfama Ghana, Yenchia, any Yenjisuo, and no any trending topic, trendy, what in Tankesian, so be a flow social media. Ma enamika say Gamanche, I bet you say Yenyusu Obake, and your official greeting language, Enfama Ghana.
So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Obake. Can you say that? Greater
Accra Regional Minister, Yama Melindo Cruz, Wabet Chilmuse. Ye mutain Obake no ebe official greeting language ediama ye wo enkran. Ladies and gentlemen, ye from Dan Kwesi Prince daily view GH so mesel so ba no subscribe wa share wa comment every baby a hwe free no wa me notification bell na busu na timi akoso akọ nanim na before me dey nsem no ene de trending ni bi every no. This episode is probably brought to you by Charistic Company Limited in road tatahwe omode abedwama nso zamesha ne zaje capsules no kwaje bi onyaje bi akope bi tu obeboa wo ma odada sitinamu na tumi adimu ma yade encounter form say ebe infection bacteria bi abeji ni pedua na kenten so menstrual disorder ba aya na edun fichi kwachi aya na oti ya oti pains wase fiduan bro no so bia tumete o kaso akon fichi kom so hu moja chese e flow edema won se bum na meye 2-3 days to thoughts na etwa ebeye wadru ede amount infertility ulcer prostate problems oba entrama sabi eburu sabi impeduasa enkan ma wahemfi ho ebeyi nkamboni bi afiri ho na bibia no atumi edimu enu nkaye ni ndro ye da oskun isu FDA ayoma gya tum se ye open do etu akofamasi herbal stores Unsa ebe company fondo ya mabuboso yi ebi abusia yemra yensem ne so about few weeks ago ni ana gamanche kin takishu enya awo bi efiri amanone bo marketing free UK aburutimem eba Ghana hadio mani ekire gamanche palace wo ahemfi ho se omukọ akwakochia ye papa yi no mo ne nadidi enkomo na omohu se ne Ghana mamre etietitiro kura ne nkran mamre mampeni ampa nso ene asi UK meyobi nso eka ho mu nyina bo marketing gi twidi ni twrada eko gamanche ahemfi o palace wo eko ye kochia ye papa yi ne didi enkomo ne pictures ahodo de bibiri na sunye na ene ebre nso omukọ ye no ne amane ne amamre dwumadi ahodo bibiri na nso ana eko so ewo ahemfi ho na busu na sewani na ebra ye papa gamanche kin takishuru eba be kasa na ochiri mu se odinani ene na so atoto fom ahu se bra so mo baye no kasa ba akope anase ye de echi omo ene ne Akwaaba na eno na gamanche echiri mu se da bi if you go to Rome you do what Rome do it oba nkanya ye won krama mre ne amane na kasa ba akwa ye de ema enchia ene se Obake.
It's a pleasure to welcome you to Ghana, sir. And to Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say, Obake Brouhaha. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Obake. Can you say that? Obake.
And your fasu etu for some here na Obake yen tretre no nenko achirichiri ni bencheye ye nya Akwaaba no emfiri eye nkran ha na abusia ne ensam no so eba na beje ntre ha wotintankese no so ne ene okọ social media no so eno na etrend you ma asem ya chi eye Greater Accra Regional Minister ye ma Melinda Okuro enso ababe kasa chiri mu se Akwaaba ne de ye beyi afiri ene ochena ne na de chiye.
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the gas. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the voters. Are you getting? So they have legitimate concerns. I mean, these are real concerns that needs to be addressed, and so I will support them. Why not?
Emma Ghana for bi num chiri mu se da bi Akwaaba ene Obake omo nti adoa nwoma so mo ye den na Akwaaba no ana agi din wa chirichiri benje Bill Gates mu nyina num se Ghana oba ye de Akwaaba na na chew me no nam so na ba na mo anso aba be kasa wo hu chiri mu se o se when hunger catches you fufu and kinky don't asks if you are Ashanti or tribalism is pure nonsense. Unity over barriers. No, any sama na ba na mwanso eka eche na dwen ewo ho. Na asemiachi Afia Schwar ganso aba bekasa wo hunchi no se Ghana fo titru kura ne eye nkranfo mo monimre na mo unity emra montem.
Sometimes some things are not for tribalism. It's Rema. There's not the time for it. This is not the time for it. But we don't have time. It's Akwaaba. Wezo Akwaaba. Afina ubache. Yenya hu mesuanyoma. Akwaaba na yache Clinton ne George Bush ne Queen Elizabeth ne Prince one. And crime for you should start. You know the things you people should be angry over, not Akwaaba or Obake. With all due respect. Yes, and I say, Akwala yebobo no ni mubo. So chinchina also born any day into Obeche. Oh yes, I kill a bitch and trying to say me not the second to your bone in Napai. Oh, instead of you to fight over slogans, fight over unity, come together as a tribe. Come together as a tribe. Accra, there is a whole lot to be done. Empower the youth, education, business. Empower them. Empower the youth in crime phone column. Empower them. Ye the 2 million asha wonsana uniska. Mobasa the 2 million komesikeni. Now what describe it? That is what it is. We can give you everything. With all due respect, I cry for you people. But and sasine gun crying is legone trasako no and cry for do sing and the property wo. And sasine gu is legon trasako patron cry for do sign at cantonment and cry for do sign and at airport hills. We need to empower as the people of God. We need to empower ourselves because they are empower youth now. Ye did 2 million at the mawom on by side their come our war. No, they are di. It is the truth. Na sente sa mami ka be bincham. Senya kan phone ye nipa ye ni a ding. En kaibo for me jin kan for asase. Hello. Ya mfaye na ye nsi for ma. En kaibo for me jin kan for asase. Evangelist me that's for we gift. Ya mfaye na ye nsi for ma. En kaibo hini. En kobesi na hini. E won kan ho. Won nam kan ho. Se wo ye king. Eye den ye wo king takite. Ni esa wa another king. E was asase ba akoso. How is that possible? How? There were a lot of things. I wasn't kind for more force more energy, focus on it than Akwaaba Uba Trumu, Uba Gomez, Akota Fremadia Trumu. No, there are a lot of things we can fight over it. The first part is empowerment. Empower the youth, empower the generation, give them education. We should let the young girl, the young and kind woman, and I mean it. Captain Smart, now very, very serious. It is about a drumasem. It is about Ghana from Rantiani Mabawa. Sisi womuni edwumanye. Na yafana kuro. Na Afia Stadium. Enti drama hama bayi into untimi Afia Stadium adwumanye. They be our politicians. Nipa somwa. Na chese they be a mo dem pese obi yese. No di mochi. Enra na Captain Smart. Ka na NDC 4 boys. Ena dien. Ena me busa say. Enya NDC 4 boys. Enti nyina ya mfa ye ni ehu de Afia Stadium ye ma de Mahama. And your friend no ko nchen for sika 20,000 am de money. Dem mo money do money. Don't.
Sorry, I don't understand.
And no additional woman and carry president. Now no mutu kwan. Akwantu a yebetua per diem. One fa Afia Stadium anko. Akwantu a yebetua per diem. Uja Afia Stadium e de Mugabe koye. But we were opposition no. There be abekobia na Afia Stadium osunti. Osundwo Muhammad tine nice is form. Yes, someone ya mama nya mo fe. Politicians munya say ye na evident na me free and this no. Yeah, e dey crab for the Emma party no. Mo fa ye ni hui. Mo fa ye ni hui. This nipa ba besese muska. E dey na ha madwene. E dey na ha madwene. E dey nti na Afia Stadium NDC aba ban mu. Ochina na ye September 9 months. Mo pa power 9 months. Afia Stadium ni adwumaye. Afia Stadium ni adwumaye. Nti mo afa no proper Jubilee House so e na mutua ni kakra na ye den. Presidential staffers ni egu Jubilee House no. Wo mo dudu se na ye adwuma. Nipa di machi a eye amoma nipa somwa enye so true. And when me was a strong woman is something. Now a strong woman in Munina Musu. Patch on my glasses as Versace. You know my glasses they are for reading, so don't envy it. Menine. Unim say my senior brother he like or you'll be a glasses a share. Ono me papa ni na ye ne ya na ye ne fe enti no opet glasses se ono so na o se ni kunu di obi to o senya hwe seja aye ne cortis so di be di trumu a ani mbo ende aye ono ana cortis enti so di be di trumu a ade na mbo e code in the test. Continue. Mm-hmm. 16998. Asabima. Code no say expire 2 minutes. About 2 minutes and sana be do na no mind. But saa 7 day beba in due time. Asem na nkasa beba. Finally. Checking my salary. Why is it that? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Abusia na Afia Schwar ensem ne bi eno no ntie na make say die Obake Akwaaba wezo die hin ana obi na ye bekosonso e de ye ne adi nsem le chi so ahu na de betofo bi anso de be som e wo kasafidie so intimesere so ba no subscribe wa share wa comment every baby ahwe mfiri na busia na tumi akoso akonem na before meja mekramo ame akono Charistic Company Limited in Road Tatahwe omode abedwaman so za mesha ne za agi capsules nkwaji bi omhindi eba mesha no uyu bia malaria typhoid diabetes so blood pressure ne yade etai koso chichi yare lower cholesterol bad cholesterol wedru ene hindi heba mesha zaman capsules no so ye memedru tatahwe uyu bia sisi yade sexual weakness wo so edru be mo gina so na bibia no atumi edimu nduro ye da screen so fda wi ma gel tumi say ye opendu atu opebi nso atonso akofoma se heba stores a onsa abeka mpanimfo no ya magboso ebi e frame dan kwesi prince makrao